All right, everyone. We are back from lunch. Mr. McCray, who are you here for?
I'm here for Paul Smith.
Okay. Either your Wi-Fi is unstable, Mr. McCray, or either it supports Wi-Fi, but you're breaking up.
Can you hear me now, Judge?
Yes, I can hear you now.
So he was having trouble logging in, and we were going to come back at 2 o'clock, but there's a fugitive status, Judge, because of an off bond.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not sure where to go with this. He's not here right now.
Okay. If you want to see if he can come make it here by tomorrow.
Let me try that, Judge. Can I ask him to come tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. The same Zoom link?
Yes, it will be the same Zoom link.
Okay. I'll do that, Judge.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Todd, it's a different Zoom link, Todd. I'll send it to you right now.
Email?
Yes, I'll send it to your email.
Okay. Thank you, Norma.
You're welcome.
Judge, can I see you in a breakout room really quick?
Yes, and then Mr. Beretta will take up your case. I have all the paperwork, so just give us one moment. Rebecca, I'll meet you in number 3.
Okay.
All right, and Ms. Ferguson, if you can get the attorney for Sherry Cooper here, please.
Yes, ma'am. I just sent him a text message.
All right, and who are the parties on Gara? If I could have a prosecutor, is that going to be you, Joe Ray?
Yes, Judge, it is.
All right, thank you. All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 7558, State of Texas versus Faustino Gara. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Joe Ray Garcia.
For the defense?
Ignacio Barreto.
And are you Faustino Gara? Can you unmute for me, please? Just hold down the space bar. It's the longest key on the keyboard. Hold it down. It's that long cylinder bar. All right. Are you Faustino Gara?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. That mask doesn't work if it's not over your nose.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Sorry.
All right.
Sorry, ma'am.
That's okay. I'm showing you what's entitled defendant's consent to enter plea by video. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did
Yes,
you
Your
sign it?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're proceeding by video because of the pandemic. Any objection from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Any objection from the defense?
Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Any objection from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Gara, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Gara, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
State moves to waive the repeater enhancement.
Any objection?
No objection.
Mr. Guerra, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you
Yes,
review
Your Honor.
that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with assault, family second offense? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea.
They're not gonna give me, they're just gonna release me. Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him? Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Guerra, has anyone threatened you,
Yeah, officer.
coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did. I understand it.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is waiving the repeater enhancement allegation. Punishments be assessed at a cap of 8 years in prison. There's a $1,500 fine. State opposes your applications. This will run concurrent with County Court Cause number 69958. State will take into consideration cause number 6, County Court Cause number 669136, Night Mag number 637133, County Court Cause number 669957. There's to be restitution to Paul Hernandez. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Esmeralda Rodriguez and Maria Estrada. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition? Unmute yourself, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Off the record for a moment. Ms. Ferguson, I put a message in the chat box. Back on the record, I'm going to show you a paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you electronically sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that are filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense is charged in the indictment. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, ma'am.
State, any evidence to support the defendant's no contest plea?
Yes, sir.
State offers State Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
Any objections?
No objection.
Mr. Guerra, I'm going to show you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented
He's coming, the
to
beta's coming right now.
stipulations of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Okay,
I have a 21-year-old
do not share the screen.
and I have an 8-year-old.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah, doctor. Let's not move to your left.
You need to hear?
I don't know. Yeah.
No, ma'am.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, the court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Ms. Ferguson, is February 9th enough time for
Your last name?
probation?
Last name is Camilla.
Let's give me up.
Yes, sir.
Like that.
It's usually 4 weeks for people that are in custody, Judge.
You spell it
I
like
can
that?
ask
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Rebecca. Rebecca, is 4 weeks okay, or do you want me to push it out a little further out?
I would say push it 2 more weeks, please.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Oh, she said you don't need to share screen.
I can do the 22nd, Judge.
All right, we're going to come back on February 22nd
Is that anything else?
at 9
That's
a.m.
what you gotta do, right?
Mr. Guerra, what will end up happening is that you interviewed by probation.
Type in your name.
You will be brought back on February 22nd at 9 a.m. If you're in custody, we will have you brought over from the jail by Zoom.
It's a tab.
If you are on bond, you'll need to appear in court in person in the 187 District Court. Courtroom is located at 300 De La Rosa. We're on the 4th floor, and that'll be February 22nd. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to base my decision on your application for deferred adjudication based upon the report from probation and any other evidence that's presented. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that, we'll close the record. I'm going to send you to a breakout room with Ms. Reyes.
I only see one.
Mr. Beretta, do you want a TAP evaluation or no?
Do I want a TAP evaluation?
Yes.
Okay, sir. We're
I
done.
don't think so, Your Honor.
All right. So what we'll do then, I'm going to send you to a breakout room with probation and they'll go over what's expected of you so we can get the interview completed. I'm
Yeah.
going to send you to breakout room number 1. Mr. Beretta, you can go to number 1 or either you can be excused.
I think I'll go ahead and take and be excused if it's okay with the court.
Yes.
And I'll see you in another time. Thank you. Good luck, Mr. Garrett.
Okay.
Mr. Garrett, tell the deputy behind you or ask the deputy behind you to send you to breakout room
Yeah.
that
Hey,
I
boss.
assigned you,
Hey, boss.
I did a weekend tomorrow.
which is breakout room number 1.
Last Thursday.
So I'm not supposed to come back on what day?
You're coming back on February 22nd.
Okay, February 22nd, to leave to breakout room?
No, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Cooper, we're going to have you come back tomorrow. Ms. Ferguson, let's have Ms. Cooper back tomorrow.
Okay. 9 a.m.
Yes, 9 a.m. and it'll be by Zoom. And you need to make sure your video works.
Yes, ma'am. I just need to go buy a charger for my laptop and I'll have that for sure ready and set up tomorrow morning.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Thank you very much. Appreciate you.
You're welcome.
May I be excused?
Yes, you may be excused. All right, everyone, I am going to stop the live stream. We are done for today. And Brenna, tomorrow is actually Friday. So let me remember